Okay, this is a very exciting day. Do you know why this is an exciting day?
Have you learned something? I don't know.
Because this is the last learn something new day. This is the last day you will take notes with me.
Look at that. We're almost out of here. I'm so excited to be gone.
Okay, this is the last day of notes.
Yes.
Okay. Tuesday and Wednesday will be review days. Thursday's our test day. There will be no new material.
Yes.
All right, but let's finish strong. So this is a sphere. It looks like a ball. So Bennett, can you toss me that tennis ball on my desk? Nice.
Oh, good try. Pretty soft talking.
This is a sphere.
Yes.
Okay. We are going to find the volume of a sphere. So what do you think this point right here is called? What's another word for middle?
Midpoint.
Center. Okay.
I always say midpoint because of
Okay. 20?
20.
Yeah.
12? Sorry, I don't know. Page 12. All right, what about this pink line right here? What am I going to call that?
Radius.
Radius. Shh. What about this peach color? What is that? That is the diameter. And just like in a circle, just like in a cone, just like in a cylinder, the diameter is twice as long as the radius. And sometimes we will have to use that to help us. Okay. Now, this dotted curve right here, this is called the Great Circle. Okay, this is like the equator. Okay, this divides our sphere into two hemispheres. So if you think about the globe, if you think about the globe, we live in the northern hemisphere because we live north of the equator. If we live south of the equator, we live in the southern hemisphere. Okay, fun fact that has nothing to do with math. It's more science.
Yeah.
But if you flush your toilet north of the equator, it spins in the opposite direction as if you live south of the equator.
Whoa.
And do you know what happens when you flush a toilet on the equator?
You go nothing.
Straight down.
Oh, so that's us, right? Or no?
We are not on the equator.
Oh, we go this way.
I can't remember if it's clockwise or counterclockwise, but whatever ours do, people in like Brazil, theirs are gonna go the other way.
I think ours goes I think the earth is flat. Miss Alma, do you think the earth is flat?
No.
Really?
That's what
How does
I'm
it make
saying.
sense? If it has lava in the middle, wouldn't it just melt?
What? Brady, stop talking.
Okay, so the volume, here's our last formula, and this was on your warm-up today. Hey, Brady, Jada, Brian.
He's trying to hit corn.
Here's our new formula. 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, so come to number 1, and I want you to write volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Everybody write it.
Cute.
Okay.
Why is it hit chord?
That's the formula.
Brady, what'd you say?
Hey, just stop. Stop. Drop it. Stop, drop, and roll.
She's giving you attitude.
Okay, so we are going to change pi to 3.14. Okay, you know what?
Somebody needs to move.
I am waiting for it to be quiet. 4/3 pi r cubed is our formula. I have changed pi to 3.14. Brady, what's our radius? Thank you, Brady. So 4 to the 3rd, that just means 4 times 4 times 4. Can you do that for me?
Yes. 4 times 4 times 4.
Okay. So this is what I'm gonna have you do. I'm gonna have you work this way. Can you take 64 times 3.14? Okay. Then what you're gonna do in your calculator, you're gonna multiply by 4 divided by 3.
26,
267.9
Yes.
cubic inches. Okay. So save the 4/3 to be very last, and you'll say times 4 divided by 3.
Cute.
There's a country song about that. You're gonna miss this. You're gonna want this back. All right. All right, you do number 2. You're gonna do number 2.
Thank you, Richard.
Where'd I put my tail?
Wait, times 4 divided by 3.
Yeah.
So. I think this is one that must be more easy.
times
Right.
4 divided by 3.
Yep, there's only one thing you gotta pick out from the picture.
Equals times.
What did you do? 5,000.
No. Bro,
Hey, that is not how we're gonna talk. That is not how we're gonna talk to each other in this classroom. You wanna talk like that outside of school? That's your business. But in my classroom, we're not gonna say shut up. And you know that that's an expectation. I feel like you can say it in a much nicer way.
He's over there. Right track. I didn't say to him. I said like. I'll say it to myself.
It's still not allowed.
My bad.
Okay, Denise, what's our radius? 10.7. Okay. So we need to take in our calculator 10.7 times 10.7 times 10.7. Okay. And then that number gets multiplied by 3.14. Then we can multiply by 4 divided by 3. Okay. And so Ryan, you get
5,128.8.
Meters cubed.
Yeah, meters cubed.
Harper, do you agree with that number? Bennett? Do you agree with that number? Okay.
So what is it? Oh yeah, I got it.
5,128.8. Who did not get that number? Did they all do it wrong?
At first I did it, but I think I did one. You got like 2 8 7.
I got that.
That's all, man. Tally didn't get it right.
Okay, so I'm gonna take a pause so that if you didn't get it right, let's redo it in our calculator, okay? Let's not just like take somebody else's word for it. If you did not get this answer, retype it into your calculator. When Kinley gets back.
Okay, now you do
What
four.
was it?
times 4
Times four.
times 4
times
divided by 3.
or divided by three.
Oh. Oh.
Hey, Corey, you get it?
Look what I did.
All right. So here we go. In number 3. In number 3, what is this 26 symbolizing? This is the diameter, which means we need to cut it in half if we want the radius. What is that? Oh, good job. Without his calculator, 13. Okay. So when we find the volume, 4/3 pi r cubed, we are going to take 4/3 times 3.14 times 13 cubed. So this is what I would do in your calculator. I would take 13 times 13 times 13, multiply that number by 3.14, and then multiply by the 4 divided by 3. Do you see how I'm showing what I'm typing into my calculator? That's going to be very helpful on your test Thursday. I need to see the work and the answer to give you full credit, okay?
Why are you just staring at me?
Were you typing the question? No, show. What did you get? You just got the last problem wrong.
Okay, that's because I typed in something wrong.
9198.1,
What?
9198.1. Is that what I heard you guys say? This is what Bennett and Corin got. Tyler, is that what you got?
Yep.
For real?
Yeah, he actually got that.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. All right, so this is what I want you to do. Can you turn to page, I don't know, is it 13? 14?
Took 14 our homework.
Okay, page 14 is your homework. What I want you to do though, do you see above number 4, it says find the surface area? Can you cross that out and write volume? I want you to find the volume on number 4, 5, and 6.
Surface area. What is surface area?
It's the area of the surface. And then cross out number 8.
Wait, which one you want to cross off?
Cross out number 8.
So we're doing 1 through 9.
You're doing 1 through 7 and 9.
Yeah, I got that. Got a lot more.
Oh, on the other side.
So. Oh.